Okay, and in previous section we discussed about the GL point of view, like GL posting in single screen and double screen, as well as post with reference and park document. Why we can park the document once the document is parked, then how we can post the park document at the same way. Uh, why we can use the whole document at the same way. Once document is holded again once document is held again held to post, how we can post and everything we can see in yesterday class. And reporting point of view, once document is posted we can verify three levels, like one is GL point of view, like once report transaction is completed, we have a three ways we have a chance to get the report, like FBL1, FBL3NN, that is line item level, and FS10N GL point of view. And separately GL in FS10N also we can enter the GL number wise. And document wise, FB03 wise, we can generate the document. Either it is the document currency wise and transaction currency wise. We have an option, right? Till everyone clear, right? If you have a doubts, once again ask me. Anyone clear regarding this one, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and today's section also, I'm not taking any class. So today also, I'm trying to explain one of the student. He's trying to create a new Naukri account. So from starting onwards, how we are going to create the Naukri account, how we can create entire end-to-end in Naukri account, how to prepare a resume. This and all I'm going to explain today, because so someone only new joined, like one or two members. Remaining all everybody already taken course from other trainers. Till they don't have much more knowledge regarding how to apply the jobs in different platforms, and how to prepare the resumes and how to create a Naukri account. These and all the things till also many of the people don't know. So this is the first mandatory things. So once, today, Sheetal Parachi, her resume we are going to prepare, and her Naukri account also we are going to prepare. So everything, please listen. So based on that, you can create in your own way from tomorrow with your own resume and Naukri account. At the time of your resume preparation, also how to create resume, everything I'm going to explain. So, and you no need to create your own ID, own details. Like you will take some your friends or whatever your neighbors. So their age belongs to nearby 5 years, like minimum or maximum, whatever. You can take their profile details. Then you can create a dummy profile. Then you can start apply and attend the interview. So that is the first thing. So clear everyone. So subject point of view, within 2 months, everybody learn as well. Good, how much knowledge required for as per cracking the interviews. Everything you will get within the 2 months. So, but basic things is from starting onwards. Because many of the trainers they don't explain how to approach, how to attend the interviews, how to prepare the resume, how to search jobs in different platforms. They don't. Nobody cannot explain. They just simply explain basic things, and they cover the topics within 1.5 hours. And later they will start the new batch. But my side, that is not my intention. So this is the because she is asking couple of times for resume preparation and everything. So I appreciate his intention and much more interest for looking for jobs. Okay, Sheetal, are you ready to start sharing your screen and prepare Naukri account, right?
Yes, sir. Give me 1 minute because here are many network glitch here. That's why the main reason I'm joining by phone today.
Okay, no issues. If you have a issue, I'll prepare in my system only. But you can, whatever the required details, you can share now, right?
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Everything fine. Okay for this section, right?
Yes, sir.
Remaining all. Hello.
Sir, it is
Remaining.
okay.
Remaining all. Please discuss something. Because you are in mute. If you are accepted this like this section or not. Hello.
Carry on, sir. Carry on.
Mm-hmm. And once the section is completed today, Anusha Huda is she's attended the interview today some of company. So by end she will share the Excel sheet. What and all the questions she will base today. Based on that, I'll explain answers for that particular questions. Right, Anusha?
Yeah, sir, sure.
No. Sheetal, you just share your PAN, Aadhaar details, Aadhaar or PAN, whatever. And you have a new mobile number, right? Like previously, you cannot updated any Naukri accounts.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I
Hmm.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
మోహన్ మినిమం 3.5 అట్లా పెట్టే కాల్స్ వస్తుందా?
వస్తాయి మేడం మినిమం 3.5 నుంచి కాల్స్ వస్తాయి. But as per me scenario, if you don't have a original document, then you can move for only contract based only. So if you have a more than 4 or 5 years gap between the last working like last working time and between this time, like 3.5 year or 4 years, you can mention 4 years because 3.5 year or 4 year, 4.5 years, any kind of resume, they will ask same kind of questions. Between 1 year, 6 months, they don't ask a little bit questions. More than 1 year, they don't ask more, much more. Yeah.